Hey Benny, where are we?
Porto Santo!
We're at the ROTA ATUM and they've just pulled out this massive tuna. It's so awesome. I can't wait to see what we do with this. We're about to kick off and we've got an amazing menu tonight. We're starting with scallops and peas. We're going to do some of that lovely tuna we taught before with beautiful Madeira food and finish off with the berry pavlova, and we're ready to kick ass.
I'd just like to say thank you to all these wonderful people from right there all the way around to that side. It couldn't have been possible with without any of these people. We worked hard tonight, but everyone here worked harder than me, and you are all absolute champions. You are at the top of your game, and congratulations on being fantastic people. Thank you very much for having us.